I'm going to go over producing just a couple of products in this e-commerce site, a Woocommerce site, and add some attributes and possibly a category so that you can do a filtered search for that particular product. So by that I mean this. If I come to here and click through, and this is our filter search within the site. So, you know, for instance, men's boots, we get that. Okay, just filtering down plus a price point filter. So I'm going to try as fast as I can to try and show you how this can be done. Okay, so coming into the site at the top left hand corner, into dashboard. Here we have products in a left hand side column, and I'm going to add new. Okay, I'm going to do a watch, and there's if I get a chance I'll do 3, but I'm going to do some watches. Okay, so dress watch. Okay, and I'm going to get an image, which is down here on the right hand side, product image, set product image. I've already uploaded into the media library, so that image will do for my main image. There it is, as you can see, and then I'm going to add what's an inset shot, a detail shot, which I've already uploaded. Add to gallery, and there it is. Okay, I'm going to put some copy in, just some gobbledygook, and a short description, which is just a cut down of your larger description. Okay, and publish. We'll view product. And at the moment, you know, that's what we've got. Okay, now as quick as I can, because it does get a little bit sort of complex when you're new to it. I'll try to explain how I'm going to put categories and attributes to this particular product. So I'm going to back into the dashboard. What we've got is, if you go to products again and we go down to attributes, it's a series of attributes created by oneself. Okay, color, gender, shoe type, size, they're all relevant to one of these products. This one I've just done now, which is watch type. Okay, I may get around to doing all 3, but we've got dress, gold, and sports. Okay. Now, another attribute to watches could possibly, it could possibly be quality. It's very unlikely you'd ever do this, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a new attribute. I've just copied some copy here, and I'm going to call it quality. So I can put variable price points on this watch, as you would maybe have on different dress sizes, shoe sizes, you know, etc. So I'm just going to put quality as the name, right? Quality. Okay, and I'm going to add that as an attribute. And as you can see, quality, but with no terms to it. So now the 3 qualities I want to have, come over to quality. As you can see, there's nothing there. Configure terms. Nearly went wrong then. Add new quality. Okay. Standard. Apparently these slugs do write in themselves, but I tend to do them myself. Add new quality. Okay. Come back to attributes. Quality. configure terms. Deluxe. Okay, add new quality. Add attributes. Quality. Configure terms. And our most expensive variant of that watch is luxury. Sorry if you can hear my chair squeaking away here, that weird noise. Luxury. Okay, so we have luxury deluxe standard as a variable for that product. Okay, so back into all products. At the top of all of our products, you can see is that dress watch. We'll go to edit. And there's already some that we can apply. Now, by default, unless it's a very simple product and it really is just, you know, you're selling a product, it's one price point, one size, then it's going to be a simple product. There is no variable to it. It's just a handkerchief at $1.99 and that's it. You would have a simple product. But there's a variable on this. So, come down. You drop down to variable product. Okay, we're going to add some attributes. This is what we've just been doing. Click attributes. Okay. And come up to this pull down, click it. Okay, one that's already been created, we'll use this because this is a male watch and this helps us with the filtering. So we will hit gender. And we will click add. Okay. Now, when you come in here, you click in there. These have already been added as a variable. So men. Okay. And save attributes. In fact, well, you can save, but we could have added another one straight away. But we'll save. Okay. We're going to add another one now, and that is quality. Okay. By the way, these two boxes here, visible on the product page. It's not going to be a pull down or anything. It's just a bit of a tag within the product. So I've just clicked that one box, right? But this is different. This quality. So I'm going to quality add. By the way, if these aren't showing spread out like this, it can be a little bit confusing. These sort of hidden a little bit sometimes. Expand or close, and this will open this up. So we've just added quality. Again, we'll go into there, and there are the three variables that I've created. Quality. Deluxe, luxury, not necessarily in order these, standard, save attributes. Okay. Now we have to give these some details, some price points, because we want to differentiate them price-wise. So variations. Now we get this add variation box. Okay, so go. And as you can see, because we've got that in, it's now got your quality. So, so we hit this, we can hit our deluxe. Okay. Here's this expand close thing. Kind of can be a bit confusing. And then when we expand that up, we get the chance to put a price point in. So this is a deluxe. This is our basic. I know it sounds crazy, but a £10 watch. Okay. All right. Save changes. Add another variation. And then it gives you a chance to move up. So we'll go deluxe. Sorry. It's there. Deluxe. Sorry. That was standard, wasn't it? This is how confusing it can get sometimes. That's deluxe. Expand. It's the way, I think it's good it does this half the time. There's a standard at £10. And here's a deluxe. So we will go £15. Okay. And we will save changes. And then we'll add another variation. Inequality is the one to look out for. And we will go luxury. I wish it would just expand, to be honest, every time. So we will go £20. Also, as you can see, and you'll go into this, you can actually, put a sale price. So, for instance, on the deluxe, we will do a sale price of £10. Okay, down to the bottom, save changes. This can also go under accessories. So there's a product category here of accessories, and I will show you how to create those product categories. So there we go, it's under male, it's under equality of luxury, deluxe, standard. We will update the page here. And view product. And as you can see, we've got 10 to £20, 10 being the sale price. And we've got quality here. And of course we can hit standard, which gives us £10, luxury, 20, deluxe. Sorry, it was the deluxe one. Was £15, now down to £10. And there's your full description and your cut down description, and there's your inset. Okay, and that is how you would do a standard. Now what we need to do now is look at what we got filtered and how we filter this particular product. So if we go to, and there's many ways of doing this, back to our site. We see that we've got a sale tag automatically on it because we put a sale in. So right, so if we hit men, actually that should come up on a search of men. It does, because it had that men attribute we put in. But let's say we want in here, to be honest, watches would go under accessories, but I'm just going to show you how to put a new accessory in, a new kind of filter headline down here. So, okay. The way to do that is we have a filtered search area, which is not obvious where it would be, but it's to WordPress people it would be, but someone doesn't know WordPress, it wouldn't be. So appearance widgets is where we need to go to sort that area. And as you can see here in the sidebar, we have got filter by price, filter by gender, clothing type, shoe type, accessory type. Now if I bring over from here at the top, you can see ADAX product filters. There's one here that's spare available widgets. I'm going to bring it over and I'm going to plonk it at the bottom. Okay. Widget type. Okay. Now here's the attribute. Now we've built watch type as we did before. So we're going to click watch type. Okay. We will title this as watch type. This is what you'll see in that filtered search. Checkbox, save. Okay. So if we come over to the site, I hope I've set this correctly. I may not have done, but I can alter it. Here we go. I don't have it there. Why not? Why not? Why not? Why not? Because watch type. Why are you not appearing? This is the little thing you have to work through. Attributes, gender quality. Aha. Watch type not added. Okay. All right. Watch type. Okay, add. Select into here, and this was a dress watch, wasn't it? Okay, save. So, yeah, we'll just have that visible on the product page. We don't need it as a variable. Pull down. Update. Okay. New product. And we'll just go, hopefully, bit of luck. This will now appear, and this shows you how, there we go, dress. Because I literally put that one in, every time you put one in and another watch, this is how it will work. You will get that coming in the filtered search until I go into another one, and say put in a sports watch and added sports. The way we've done it, it will then appear in there. One of the things to remember is if you, at any point, if we go back to attributes, and I've done this, and it's just maybe it's just something I would do and someone else wouldn't do. I kind of built a test attribute to see how this worked a month or two ago, and I deleted it out because, oh, that's just nonsense. And I'd done what I'd done here, where I put in a search in through the widgets, did all this and pulled one across. Because I deleted it, the arrow just being in, it couldn't filter search. The whole thing just stopped and froze. So if you remove one from there, you need to remove it from here as well, the two areas that you're doing this. Okay, I did mention categories. Pretty simple. Products, categories. That was, you had clothing, accessories, shoes. That's your categories. It's another way of searching and giving, multiple ways of customer hitting where they're going to. I can show you. Here we go. Accessories, shoes, clothing, shoes. There we go. There it is, shoes. I could add another one of these watches, but I don't see. Now, another point, front end of the site. To pin these particular images, you would obviously probably want certain products to be key in certain categories on the front page. So, edit page, and I've set them this way, but this is the way I think you should do it, and they're set this way anyway. If we hit a product category panel, for want of a better description, and we open it up, this has been set to featured products. Okay, type, features, products. You can do a second kind of way of showing stuff, low to high, high to low, news to oldest, blah, 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 popularity rating. That's your choice. But if you want to really take 3 products and make sure that they're in that particular row, then this is the one I go for. Featured products, which I've set anyway. So save and exit, and I'll show you how to do that. When you come across to your products, all products, we've already got some done. It's here. As you can see, this black t-shirt, as you follow across, there's a star. It's literally clicking that on and clicking it off. It's no. And a bit of a delay, yes. So all these featured products are the ones which are coming across. But like I say, these images have been featured, and that's how they're pulling in. I'll just show you the other ones. It's not how, you know, it's not how I would do it, but these, for instance, if we, by the way, this is sort of to get into that particular product category row, you click this hamburger icon on the side. But as you can see, this one, instead of it being featured, is featured. It's product category, and then accessories is clicked. So it's dragging in, you know, accessories. Just a different way of doing it. I'm just going to save that. I don't think it's as controllable myself. I don't think most people that have got a shop would just want anything. You know, you're going to put a pair of socks on and it's the latest one, and it's going to drag in over what you really want to sell. So I don't see people wanting to use that particular system. So that's the one that I would use. Right, anything else? No, I think that is it. As I say before, I'm not sure if I could remember right, but did I show how to create products categories? It literally is products categories, and then add new category here. As you can see, accessories, clothing, shoes, and they're the ones that we've got at the moment. So it literally would be that, add new category. Fans kicking in there for some bizarre reason, not quite sure why. Okay, so that's as much as I can sort of, in this sort of shortish kind of tutorial on how you do it, pass on to you. It's a little bit complex, but I hope you've taken some of it on board and this will be useful. Thank you.